Welcome to my knowledge. In today's video, we will discuss the second part of house making. As we discussed earlier, uh, the layout was complete. Now we will place pillars on the drawing. Just copy this pillar to move it 10 feet 11 inches. We'll use copy command. Hope you know how to use copy command. It is very easy. Select the object, enter, then pick the point from which you want to move it and direct your mouse in that direction, then enter the distance and press enter again. We'll do the same for this one. Select the pillar. Rectangle shows the size of the pillar. Copy it, select it, move it in the direction that you want, press enter. We'll do the same for the last pillar as well. Just press copy, click on it, enter, select this point and place it on this corner. So that's how you do the pillars, the boundary pillars. You can also copy and paste pillars of one side on the other, but that's only possible when the gaps in all pillars is same. In my case, the gaps in the pillars is different on all four sides, so that's not possible, but you can do like that as well. 30 feet, and then move another 15 feet, that is 45 feet from the start, and we'll move till the end. Now the pillars at the boundary are almost complete. I'll select this pillar as well and move it 12 feet 6 inches. So that's it. Now after making all the pillars, I will do small tweaks. I will trim the axis lines, will erase the axis lines just like I did in earlier videos. So that's why I will not go too deep in this trimming command. If you still don't know how to trim, the link of my videos in which I have discussed trimming is in description. You can watch detail about basics of AutoCAD from that link. After trimming this line, we will keep on trimming the axis lines. The trimming is almost done. I will move this pillar from here to here. Click it, move it here. Place as much pillars as needed. I think 2 more pillars will be required. One is here. And the other should be like here. Now we are almost done with the pillars. After all the pillars, I will make circular pillars in the veranda. I think 9-inch radius will be good enough. So we'll type 9, enter. Let's zoom out and see. It looks perfect. Now move this circle by move command. Click the circle, enter, click the point which that you want to move, place it over here. Looks better. Now click on this from center, move it up to 11 feet 9 inches is good enough. The rest of the pillar I will just eyeball it and move it till the end. This is the last circular pillar. Here we have it, the final layout. We'll just change this line, erase the excess line, and trim this small outgrowth. Save your drawing. Now we will do the last trim. After trimming, I think we should save our drawing after every important step. You never know when the software crashes. Go to layer and make layers like door. After door, make window. Then we'll make another dimension, another layer as text, and one more will be block. Select colors for each layer. For door I will select red. For windows I will select blue. For text I will keep white. For block I will select purple. For dimension I will go for green. I will add another layer by the name of hatch. Select yellow color for it, and we are done here. Now let's make a door. The width of the door is 3 inches and its height is 3 feet. Make a smaller rectangle with a width of 3 inches and height of 6 inches. Now move it, select the point. This point I think is good, and join it with that point. After this we will show the travel of the door by arc. We'll draw center, start and end arc. We'll use this one. Click on the center, then start point, and end point will be here. Now copy this rectangle from this point and place it here. Select complete door, press enter. I think I should copy it. Select all the door, press enter, pick a point and drag, then click. You have the copy. To mirror it, it is very easy. Select everything that you want to mirror, press enter, then show the point about which you want to mirror. You have to show axis. These 2 points are good for me. Then it will ask if you want to erase or you want to keep the original part. So I will do it again. Click on mirror, select complete door, press enter. Now give these 2 points. Then I will go for no. I want to keep the original part. Delete the extra rectangles, and we have the double door and single door configuration. Now you can rotate these doors and place it anywhere you want. Another thing is window. For window we will draw a rectangle. The width of the rectangle will be 5 feet because I want to make window of 5 feet width. That is 5 feet, and in y-axis it will be 6 inches, as the cross section of the door is 6 inches. So the cross section of the window will be 5 feet by 6 inches. Hope you understand now. The cross section of the window is 5 feet 6 inches. Now we will move to another step. After completing the window, we have to place these doors and windows at the required positions. As you know how to move, I will not go into this portion. For rotating, click on the door, select the door, and just like moving, you have to select the point about which you want to rotate it. I'll copy this rectangle, place it over here. Now select this, click on rotate, select the point, rotate it, and leave it over here. That's how you rotate a door. So if you want to rotate the door to place it at the required position, you know how to do it. After completing the doors, we'll move to windows. The window is almost the same. Just copy the window and place it wherever you want. I'll first create a copy of it and then rotate it for vertical windows. We have horizontal and vertical both configurations. So now we have copy of both. We can move as much windows as we want into our layout. Copy it and place it over here. Make sure your OSnap is on to keep it aligned with the lines of the wall. After completing windows and doors, I'll move to the window of the curve. If I zoom it in a little, you'll see this is the window. I'll use polyline and window layer for this window. We'll use same method for rest of the windows that are not at the same dimensions that we made earlier. Now we will use offset command and offset it up to 1 inch from all sides to convert it into a window. The windows are almost done. After completion of windows, we'll save the drawing again. We'll go to dimension style. For that, type DIM, go to dimension style, modify it, see if it is in architectural format, check its scale. Scale is 1. From here we can change it. Let's change it to 4 scale. I think it looks good. Use linear or align dimensioning. So the dimension is good enough. If you still want to increase the size of the dimension, again go to dimension style and go to modify. If you want to change the size of the arrowhead, the size of the line, size of the text, and then scale of the dimension, you can change it from here. Suppose I change it to 7, and you will see the size of the dimension increases automatically. Now I will use linear dimension again to show you the width of the plot, that is 70 feet. From multi line text, you can add text into your drawing. It is also in annotate tab. Suppose I want to enter text bedroom in my layout. Select the text, change size of the text. Suppose I want to enter the size of the text to be a few feet. Now if it still doesn't fit in the room, I will change the size again. Double click on it, change the size. You have to double click on the text. Suppose I want to make it 1 feet 6 inches. Select the text, then type the height of the text, and this is how you can change the size of the text. I'll copy this text and paste it wherever I want. You can paste as many times as you want. So now it doesn't fit the bathroom. I will change the height of the text, will make it even smaller. I think this is good enough. Now let's move it and check if it fits or not. Doesn't fit very well. I'll try to reduce it even more. Now it is good enough, it's fine. Copy it and paste it here as well. We'll paste it here as well, and then here. After that we will type another thing, that is dressing room. We'll paste it here, copy it and place it in these two areas as well. As OSnap is on, I will turn it off first and place the dress again at the right places. I think I should change it. I will press enter over here. Yes, now it looks good. I will do the same with other bathroom, and map is ready. Now change the name of the spaces. This is lounge, this is veranda, then bedroom, this will be dining room, I think kitchen. Yes, it is kitchen, and drawing room. The drawing is almost complete. Now I will show you how to dimension it after labeling the spaces. This is lawn. We'll place here a garage, or I can call it car parking. Sounds better. We also have a lawn at the back side that is smaller, but at the back side, so I will call it back lawn. Use align dimensioning from turn on OSnap. Using align dimensioning, I will pick this point till this. So the size of the veranda is 23 feet, which is a good space. (23 feet). The size of the dimension is very big, so for drawing it is, I think, not suitable. You should reduce the size of the dimensions if you want to dimension all the walls. Currently I will just show you a few walls to show how we can dimension it. This is also discussed in earlier videos I have. Now we'll move to the last step, that is stairs, or steps for stairs. Just make one rectangle equal to the step size and copy it as much times as you want. I think the size of the stair is very small, but this is just, I am just eyeballing it. Let's see how it looks if I make it a little bigger. I think I should turn off OSnap as well. because it is picking the center of the pillar. Yes, I think I should turn it off. And just eyeball this and click here. This is the size of the step. Now you can pattern it, or you can copy and paste as many times as you want. Keep pasting it until you reach the top. I'll delete these and paste another step, or use this same step, rotate it. Okay, now copy it, move it from here. I will keep copying it and pasting it until I reach the end, and that's it. The stairs are ready. This is a good step size. The drawing is almost complete. I just have to now label it as a ground floor. This is a ground floor map. For that I can copy a text, already existing text. I'll copy this text, paste it here, type ground floor in it. We'll also increase the height of the text and type the floor. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.